Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Lenovo Thunderbolt 4 docking station is not working properly, it can disrupt your entire workspace, especially when multiple devices like monitors, keyboard, mouse, and charging all depend on that single connection. This issue can show up in different ways, such as no display output, devices not being recognized, or the dock not powering on at all. The reason behind it is often not a major failure, but a combination of connection issues, outdated drivers, or incorrect system settings. Since Thunderbolt docks rely heavily on both hardware and software communication, even a small mismatch can cause problems. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Lenovo Thunderbolt 4 docking station and get everything working smoothly again. And try these. 1. Check that the docking station is properly connected to power and turned on. 2. Disconnect and reconnect the Thunderbolt cable securely to your laptop. 3. Restart your laptop to refresh system connections. 4. Update Thunderbolt drivers and system software on your device. 5. Check display settings to ensure external monitors are detected. 6. Enable Thunderbolt permissions in your system settings if required.